In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to work crop tool inside Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. So first of all, if I right click from here, I am right click, then we can access crop tool from here. Also, crop tool shortcut is C. If we hold down C, press C, then we can easily access crop tool. Crop tool, let's see, if I click here, then crop tool automatically select the image to cropping it. If I hold down shift, then I can able to lock the aspect ratio. I'm undoing it. Then if I hold down Alt from the keyboard, then it will resize the images from the both side. I'm undoing it. Then here is a ratio. Ratio is original ratio is square. I can select any ratio from here. If I select 1:1, it will be selected as square images, 16:19 images, anything else. Okay, I'm getting back from here and again jump into the crop tool. So I need to clear it so that it will not bother us no more. Then if I hold down, here is straighten tool. If I hold down Control from the keyboard, then you can see that straighten cursor has been appeared here. So if I feel that this side I will need to fix it, I will need to straighten it, then just leave the control and it will straighten the image. So I am just adjusting it and the image is straightened. So if I press enter, then the image will appear as straightened images. Okay. Now the overlay. Basically by default it is selected as rule of thirds, but we can select any overlays as we wish. This is diagonal overlay and we can fix as it is. We can see easily fixed as it is. This is triangle, golden ratio and golden spiral. We can easily move through all the overlays by pressing O from the keyboard. I am pressing O from the keyboard and moving from one overlay to another. Here is use classic mode, auto center preview, not so just you can check it. And here is delete crop pixel. If I crop the images, if I selected it, delete crop pixel, then the image deleted pixels will not be stored. Photoshop will not be stored it no longer. So if we do not need to image to reanalyze further, please select it, or if you want to keep the pixels as is, keep the pixels for future work, then you can just deselect this. Also here is content aware fill. If I enlarge the area, then it will be I am accepting it and the image will be automatically content aware fill or enlarge. Photoshop will be fill the enlarged area by content aware fill. So also if I want to hide pixel area from the image, you can see I can hide. If I press from the pressing H from the keyboard, so you can easily see the H menu pressing and it will show the overlays as or only images. Also, I am getting back to the original. If I hold down P from the keyboard, then it will show the it will move the overlays, not the images. Okay, it will move the overlays, not the images. And hold on P to back to the images. So hope you viewers, if you learned from something this tutorial, quick tutorial, if so, please subscribe my channel. Take care.